Hey there, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. It's me, Veronica. I'm back at you. And I just have a question for you. Are you feeling weighed down? I know many of us are feeling weighed down with everything that's going on in the world. In addition to feeling weighed down with clutter, with paperwork, or daily stress, or even having to move. Softer living is ahead of you, and it begins with support. So just know trauma does not just live in our minds, it shows up in our homes, in our bills, in our daily routines. But healing starts when we make life feel lighter. So that's where I come in. I can help seniors and families simplify life with compassionate, trauma-informed support, like not only mobile notary services or in the capacity of a marriage officiant. I help with many more documents than that. I also help with moving and downsizing. Even if you're not moving, you may want to downsize and get rid of some things that's not needed, you're not using, and not serving you anymore. I can help with that. Some people want to learn how to automate their bills and participate in bill pay and auto pay, or just document management. You have a bunch of documents and you just don't know how to stay on top of things and you're just wanting some help. I can definitely help with that. Also, seniors, that want help with learning technology. Sometimes you feel overwhelmed or that people are not willing to help or don't have the time to help or the patience. Well, I'm that girl. I can definitely help with that, and I do have the patience for that. So if you're wanting to learn how to use more features on that phone, learn how to participate in a Zoom, learn how to use the navigation in your car and connect to Bluetooth and so on. Again, I'm your girl. So there are also services like household organization and shopping. Some of us are a little bit frightened by online shopping or don't know how to utilize coupons or access to coupons online. I can definitely help with that and helping you to automate even your shopping, things that you commonly or frequently buy. I can definitely help with automating that too. So just know that you no longer have to feel overwhelmed or alone or feel like an outcast, because we are all in this learning curve together with everything that's going on in the world today. So just know that you have support, and when you are ready to simplify, heal, and reclaim your calm life, visit my website, softerlifebeyondtrauma.com. And just know every service is designed to reduce stress, create order in your life, and give you back your peace. Again, thank you so much. I'm Veronica, and I thank you for spending the time with me. And for more information, please visit the website. Please like, and most importantly, please share this with someone that you think this may be of value to. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.